Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Penroy Nong Kendong Abu Tahir Mandal Ulang Betha Yo Director Jong Ketenat Terekam Banwat Benia Halor Kejing Ujor Jong MLA ke Mausen Ram Uba Olan Sing Sun Uba Dawa Ban Penpaino Eko Pisa Kabala Kotsha Ke Iwei Pon Arpusan Kelur Tengka Kabaden Kebenta Ke Scheme Special Rural Work Program Lani ke MLA Scheme Kabala Pendan Kam Do Uba Himalaya Muktan Syang Peliang Wadahadin Bo Ularem Election Na Mausen Ram Constituency Haba keren kilat patai kubor mentak sengi galai tarik unno para arjar arpusau mandal ula ong bo ula dep banyo pediang ye kejing tho kabala pha da MLA ka Mausen Ram pada keju kopor ula yo pediang ru ye kejing pensyai na kaliang uba Himalaya kumta ula betha yo director Ketenat Penroy Nong Kendong bo un kemi benia ha kabaya dei bat keni ka benta Umandal ulia thoru bakat kum ka office memorandum kabala penbet thamai ka pisa kabade jong ka scheme SRWP kaba 4 pendan kam di MLA kabala rem election lalaban pendan kam di MLA kabala syajit thamai haki constituency namar ka scheme SRWP lani ka scheme MLA kade nga benta ki pajba ka constituency na ka benta shimet jong ki MLA Umon dalu laong ru basyen ke kaipot kan sapoi syau na director ubadang kemi benia ya gani kam. Kuman chupen ken mau MLA ke Mausen Ram uba Olan Sing Sun tangshen ulapen ipat ba ya ke office memorandum ha ke bedai bat kecing pendan kam ya ke pisa ke balamang na ke benta ke MLA scheme ha ki constituency bapher but ula dawa na Ketenat Penroy Nong Kendong ke Sarkar Jela ban penlong ke jing tokit ban le ai kito ki pendan kam bakla ye kapisa kumba iwei pon arpusan klor tengka uba sun ula dawa ba Ketenat Penroy Nong Kendong kadai ban pha penpai no ye kate kapisa ka ba ala aibor klem nong rim do MLA barim ka Mausen Ram ban pendan kam ye ka lingba BDO ka Mausen Ram blong ula ong bakalong ka balingo bo MLA barim ka Mausen Ram hadin shisnem saupanai bo ula rem yaki election MLA ula pendan kam ni kapisa ka ba iway pon arpusan kelur tengka jong ka MLA scheme ka badang sateng jong snem arajar arpulai haringkat BDO ka Mausen Ram da ka ba ai work order thamai hagajuk ka sngi bat pelat pisa sendan hagajuk ka sngi kata haga santerik unaitung arajar arpusau Uniu MLA ula ong ba kani ka ka kam kabaya khun hapadeng jong bat ka office BDO mat kito gibran tilang Henry kam day satya ka jing persya yano ne yakando kono ka seng.
Actually, this has been brought to my notice also by the concerned MLA, and so also the former MLA also clarified. So we asked director to find out exact status of the case. So if the money is not spent by the defeated member, that money remains for the people of that particular constituency. No? Okay. It is not given to the MLA. It is for the development of the constituency, for the benefit of the people of that constituency. We don't want that some constituency, as MLA could not return, that people should be deprived.
OM, in fact, exactly say?
See, OM says exactly that if money is spent, 50% of it should be released to the beneficiary, remaining 50%. If it is not there, then the money will be with the department. And recently we are amending this OM also, will allow the new MLAs to cast for those amount. Any time frame has been given, but very soon we will come to know exactly. Find out exactly whether the claim and counterclaim, which way it is correct.